Welcome to ARC's Industrial AI podcast with Tata Elxsi on the theme Smart Factory, Smarter Decisions, Leveraging AI for Plant Monitoring. I'm the host, Leena Kanickaraj, Client Manager, Sales and Marketing. In this podcast, today we have a guest from Tata Elxsi, Mr. Siddineni Pandarinath, Domain Head, Systems and Software, a seasoned digital transformation leader with over 27 years of experience, is widely recognized for his expertise in technology strategy, business transformation, and leadership excellence in sectors like Industry 4.0 with IIoT, digital twin, artificial intelligence, and manufacturing execution system layers. Better known as SP, he has spent more than 15 years at Tata Elxsi, where he spearheaded numerous initiatives in technology planning, business development, and operational transformation. And today we have my colleague from ARC Advisory Group, Mr. Rajkumar Paira, Director of Research, having more than 15 years of experience in researching and consulting, will join along with SP for the discussion today. Welcome, SP. It's nice to have you with us today to understand how Tata Elxsi is integrating artificial intelligence across various sectors to improve efficiency, promote innovation, and address specific industry challenges. Rajkumar, over to you.
Yeah, that's a
Thank
fantastic,
you.
and thank you for your nice introduction. Uh, Hello, SP. Thanks for joining us in this session. Uh, let's start the discussion. So we have been listening that AI is evolving and at an basically incredible pace and making waves across different industries. Let's start by talking about how AI is transforming manufacturing, especially in plant monitoring and quality control in smart factories. Also, how does Tata Elxsi play a role in this transformation?
Thank you, Lina, for the introduction, and thank you, Rajkumar. Okay, regarding artificial intelligence, it has a profound impact on all aspects of manufacturing. Whether you look from the supply side or demand, operations, or the engineering, it can help us identify bottlenecks, improve efficiency, and the quality, and helping us achieve a consistent product quality, and at the end, achieving the brand value of the product. If you look at how AI can be used in quality, it can be pretty much applied wherever we have a minimum data collection is available, and digital maturity has achieved. We can use it in the incoming quality for in process quality as well as the outgoing quality. Some examples like surface inspection of any product, dimensionality test. We have to kind of make sure the quality of the weld, uh, monitoring the machine or motor condition, tool life management, process adherence, and so on, right? And not only this, the generative AI helps us to improve the man-machine interaction. Some examples could be Gen AI-based bots for collecting the operator inputs on the shop floor to working with collaborative robots alongside in the production floor. Tata Elxsi has been working in these spaces extensively. Tata Elxsi has products like Iris, which is video analytics engine, TEDx, which is a big data analytics platform, and Lexi, which is a digital twin. And also, Tata Elxsi has working on generative AI based interfaces for the manufacturing.
Okay, that's fascinating. SP talked about many AI Gen AI space. My question is a little bit towards the industry side. basically, which industries or manufacturing sectors are currently benefiting the most from AI, and in what ways, basically, does AI enhance their operational efficiency?
Right. Uh, if you look at artificial intelligence, it is basically driven by the data and the digital maturity of the shop floor. If you ask me to rank the industries, I would say electronics and semiconductor is in the pretty much on the topmost in adopting to artificial intelligence in their shop floors, followed by automotive industry, and in the third position I would put multiple industries as they are evolving in implementing artificial intelligence on their shop floors, like pharma, food and beverages, FMCG, and so on. Not only that, there are kind of pockets of research has been done in some other sectors like energy and steel, where people have demonstrated extraordinary implementation of artificial intelligence on their shop floors.
Okay, so that's good. So now we see means AI clearly brings immense value. But what are the main benefits of using AI for basically talking about plant monitoring? And are we talking about higher efficiency or lower costs? And what challenges do manufacturers basically face when implementing AI solutions?
Right. The benefits ranges from achieving operational efficiency, the overall productivity on the shop floor. It can also help in improving the product quality. Uh, Predictive maintenance can overall benefits the machine utilization uh, in the long run. It also provides us cost savings and waste reduction in overall. For example, we apply this on the supply chain optimization. This can give us a lot of cost reduction. And also with uh, artificial intelligence, we can bring in agile and adaptive manufacturing. Uh, for example, if we have some disruption in supply chain, AI can quickly help us to find the alternatives and optimize the existing supply chain. On the other hand, on the other hand, you have asked about the challenges. The challenges in the industry to adopt artificial intelligence are, one is the availability of the skilled labor, uh, who can actually maintain this AI and ML models. Integration issues and digital maturity of the shop floor. Uh, and the third thing I would say this is the data quality and availability of the data. Uh, and and the last one is the overall cost, initial cost of AI, which is high, but over a period of time, probably it works out well in while looking at the return on investment.
Yeah, that's good. That's nice to hear about all this cost benefit almost analysis. So that's good. Let's talk about something on the probably safety. How does AI enhance worker safety in smart factories?
Okay, yeah, AI can be video analytics specifically can be used in worker safety for um, detecting as well as enforcing the protective gear. It can also help in implementing virtual secure zones where humans should not enter, in certain time or certain activity while it could endanger their lives, right? um, AI can also help in access monitoring and control. We can also use the AI powered camera for hazard detection on the shop floors, right? Uh, the safety aspects need not to be limited to this. There could be various different safety requirements which can come in the shop floor environment, and based on that, uh, people can come up with AI models to help implementing or enforcing the safety on the shop floor.
Yeah, that's good. Means it is really really good. It's available options for worker safety at least, right? So now I have one more question for basically for businesses considering AI adoption, understanding the return on investment. We know that is crucial. How can companies assess the ROI of incorporating AI into their smart manufacturing processes?
Yeah, very tricky question. I think yeah, it's important that we understand the return on investment before we implementing the AI on the shop floor. Uh, I would put this in few steps. First is basically we should have a very clear objective and KPIs for why we are implementing AI. And these things could be like your operational efficiency we are looking for the product quality, or we are looking for the cost optimization. Once we define the objectives, we need to collect the baseline matrix of existing processes so that that becomes our baseline parameters, and we can compare with our outcomes. And after implementing the AI, even before implementing the AI, we need to also like come up with our overall cost of AI implementation in terms of hardware, software, resources required, servers required, as well as the training requirement, and in the long run, what is the maintenance and sustenance cost? And once we implement AI, probably we can do monitoring and capturing the key parameters or the key KPIs that we have been looking for the improvement, and do the calculation on the return on investment. For example, like if you just look at it, what General Motors has done by implementing generative design in their engineering process, and they could achieve overall 40% reduction in the weight, and 20% improvement in the strength of their components, just by implementing AI in their uh, engineering process.
That's a good information, SP. I think that's a good what is called case studies for our viewers. I think it was a very nice discussion, SP, from your side. Very fruitful discussion. I thank you for this discussion. Over to you, Leena.
Yes, thanks SP and Rajkumar Paira for sharing your thoughts and insights on industrial AI. SPB, thank you for your enlightening presentation. Your insights into integrating AI for optimization, plant operations, and decision making were truly inspiring. Thank you for sharing your expertise and sparking new ideas in this field. That's all for today's episode. We hope this discussion has provided valuable insights into the role of AI in transforming the manufacturing sector. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll continue to explore the intersection of technology. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.